Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can save the status of anyone else. So first of all, you have to install the save status app, this one app. Then you have to allow the permission. Then you have to click on live status. Okay, so I have seen this status, so I can download and I can share this easily. And if I want to take the any more status, so I will see this. Okay, then I have to go to status, save. You can see here the image will come. So this is very amazing to do. And if I will see the more video, so I can take the video in my status as well. You can see this video is playing. Now I have to click here. The video has come here. So easy. You have seen that I have downloaded this video, and if we want to share, we can share the click of share one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Keep supporting me by subscribing my channel.